The Chemron Algae Died B algae killer is an odourless, chlorine-free treatment to eradicate mildew, algae, bacteria and mould wherever it grows. Effective on concrete paths, driveways, painted surfaces, natural and artificial grasses, golf courses, bowling greens, sports fields, marine slipways and swimming pools. Algae Died B is easy to use and will readily foam. This foaming effect can be best achieved with a foaming gun. As a result, this lingering foam increases contact time with the algae and improves its effectiveness. Apply Algae Died B before cleaning to assist the removal of algae, or apply to a new or clean surface prior to sealing. Use a sprayer or airless foaming gun, allow to dry and do not rinse. The Chemron Algae Died B algae killer features a specialised concentrated algaecide. It is safe around plants and lawns, is odourless and chlorine free.